So, how do we use linked list internally to implement a stack and a queue? So, let's proceed first, or let's have stack first. Now, to implement a stack using linked list internally, we are going to consider the head of a stack as of a linked list rather as the top of the stack. So to push will mean to insert a head, and that is O1. To pop means removing the head, or similar to removing the head, and that is O1 also in terms of time complexity. Now to get top is similar with reading the head, and it's also O1. The function is empty, or to implement is empty in a stack, in a linked list, will just be, or will be similar to checking if the head is null, and that is also O1 in terms of time complexity. Now for queue, we are going to consider, or we are going to use a linked list with a head and a tail. So the head will serve as the front of the queue, and the tail will be the rear of the queue. So to enqueue, meaning, or it's similar with inserting a tail, and that is O1 in terms of time complexity. So to dequeue means removing the head, or similar to removing the head, and it's also O1. Size, to implement that is, of course, you're going to use or keep a counter. So that will have a O1 time complexity. And just like in implementing stack, the is empty will just be checking if the head is null. And it's also O1 time complexity. So those are the implementation, the internal implementation of, or if you're going to implement linked list internally to implement stack and queue. Thank you.